Hello everybody, it's Max. Today I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be recording a thunderstorm. Look at the thunderstorm.
It's constant thunder.
I'm gonna get a lightning bolt. Oh my god, this is crazy.
Oh,
This is insane. I can't see anyone. Oh god, this is crazy. Oh yeah,
Do you get thunderstorms like this a lot?
no, not a lot.
No,
This is very rare. Why do you get a lot?
worst thunder I've ever seen.
Yeah,
Oh my
same.
god. It's good because it's still warm and it's not raining.
Oh god, it's thunder though.
Whoa.
We must see alien activity from this.
I know. I was just worried that the umbrella might.
Oh yeah, the umbrella's picking this up.
What's going? The hell?
Is that Ryan?
Ryan? Maybe rain. That's rain. Or hell. It's
Hell. Oh my god, my
when I blink,
tablet.
I can see loads of lightning. Oh my god.
Oh my god,
Oh my god.
this lightning is
Oh,
insane.
my god. Oh my god. Olivia, look at me.
Oh my god.
Mum. Ow. Quick. Mum's around.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's hail about that big. And Sid just got hit on the head.
Oh my god, there's hail. There's hail about sizes of... There's hailstones about sizes of rocks.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Where is this hailstone? I got hit on the head.
Oh my god.
They're huge.
These hails are huge. You can't really see them, but these things are massive. Holy crap. This storm is really bad. Cooking up a storm. Oh, look at that.
God.
Just look at this. This hail is insane. Oh my god, you can see the hail now.
Ow, I just got hit.
You okay? Oh my god. Like the only light you can see in this video is actually the thunder. Otherwise you can't see anything else. Oh my god. How crazy is this? This does not usually happen.
Oh god, have you got who picked up a hailstone?
Oh my god. You've not picked up a hailstone, have you?
I just got hit on the head. Ow! My hand! He didn't get hit. He's getting hit on the
Get
head.
in then.
Oh my
Stop
god.
whinging.
Oh my
I
god.
saw one.
This is crazy.
No,
That's a marble. Oh my god. Oh my days.
I think they've got smaller.
Oh my god. How crazy is this? I've said it about 1,000 times, but it's true. That is amazing. Look. I mean, that. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Those things are massive. They are massive. Oh my god.
I was like, what is this racket outside?
Oh my god.
Flash. I'm like,
If it's pretty big water. Big water.
Oh my god.
Big water. Like
Oh, look at that. You can see that. You can see those raindrops. Oh my god.
Get a spade.
Into the bomb shelter.
Get a spade.
Oh my god.
I need that umbrella.
Oh good lord.
Get it away.
Yep, this is going to be the best video on my
I
channel
don't
so
think
far.
that's gonna. Ellie, how are we gonna get back to our house? Run. I don't want to run. Sleepy. I wanna run away.
Oh my god. Wait for it. 420.
Hey.
Look at this. No,
Hi, do
really.
I'm so ready. You ready? I'm going outside.
Oh, look at that. Look
Where
at
are you
that.
going?
Look at that.
Why?
Wow. That's been crazy. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It wasn't really a video. This was just wanted to record the thunderstorm really. We don't usually see this still going. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment and subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Oh my god. That is crazy.